Are you aware of the dangers lurking in extreme sports? A recent tragedy in Baltimore highlights the risks. On Sunday evening, a fatal dirt bike accident occurred in Baltimore, taking the life of a 29-year-old man. The incident happened at approximately 6:13 p.m. in the 1200 block of E 25th Street. According to witnesses, the victim collided with a tree while riding his dirt bike. Emergency services rushed the man to a local hospital, but despite their best efforts, he was pronounced dead upon arrival. The Baltimore Police Accident Investigation Unit is actively looking into the incident to uncover more details. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers associated with extreme sports. Stay tuned for more updates on this story, and remember to always prioritize safety.